Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? Good morning, everybody. You guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels and another episode of Weird Products Daily. Weird Products Daily is a daily series we do where we kind of look at interesting, weird, and unique products. Some of these products are actually very functional, are kind of cool gadgets. Other products are kind of stupid and are kind of gag gifts, and other products just fall into very kind of weird or micro niches. Kind of the goal of this series is to kind of get you guys thinking about different niches to explore, different products you could roll out, different businesses you could start, really just kind of getting those creative juices flowing. I think a lot of these products would appeal to drop shippers because they're impulse buy type items and items people haven't seen before. A lot of these products are great ideas but have been poorly executed or poorly made, so there's opportunity for improvement if you want to get into the private label game, or maybe these products fall into your niche and you want to add them to your existing Shopify store. Whatever the reason, hopefully you guys get something out of these videos. Today's product is probably one that a lot of you guys might be familiar with. It's the Bug Assault gun, and as you can see, I've actually made a couple videos on this. I had purchased this way back in August of 2016, and I think I'd seen like some kind of commercial or maybe seen it on like BuzzFeed or some kind of viral video. Basically, it's kind of a new and improved fly swatter. It's non-toxic. It shoots ordinary table salt. Just a pinch of salt is shot accurately within 3 feet. No batteries required. There is a pop-up sight indicator. And you can actually buy this. This one is sold directly from the manufacturer, Huskel. They actually have their own website as well. And it comes with a 90-day warranty. I've had this since August 16th of 2019. And I leave mine outside a lot. You know, it'll rain or the humidity and moisture gets to it and the salt will clump up. And I'll have to empty it and put some new salt in. But I mean, aside from that, I've really kind of beaten up and abused this thing, and it's still going strong. It still works fine. I'm sure this kind of seems like a gag gift, and I guess in a way it kind of is, but it's actually pretty functional. Like, think about if you're having a picnic or eating outside. I barbecue and eat outside almost every night in the summer, and like a fly lands on your plate or a fly lands on your food. If you squish it, you got fly guts and stuff all over your food. You can actually shoot the flies with this Bug Assault gun. It'll kill the fly. It'll knock them right off your hamburger, your steak, or whatever you're eating. If you got some watermelon sitting out on a table, it'll knock it right off of that. I also like it for bugs in the house. You know, you get a bug on the ceiling or something that you can't reach. You can shoot them and get them that way. And you're not splattering bug guts all over the place. You know, you ever smashed like a fly or a moth on the ceiling and you got like guts all over and you either got to wash it or repaint. This thing just kind of picks them right off. So this is kind of a neat gadget. There's some kind of fun YouTube videos and things like that kind of showcasing this. And this is actually pretty powerful. If you shoot yourself with it, it actually hurts pretty bad. But this is kind of a cool gadget. This is probably something that's kind of out of reach for most of us. I'm guessing to kind of get something like this manufactured between the CAD drawings and getting all the different molds made for all the different parts. I'm guessing this thing potentially ran into like the tens of thousands of dollars to actually, I might be exaggerating there, but this thing definitely wasn't cheap to get made. It definitely would be a challenge. This isn't as easy as like private labeling your own backpack or something like that. But nonetheless, I thought it was kind of a neat product. If any of you guys have bought these, let me know. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about yours. I actually still have mine. I got my grill. I got my charcoal outside heating up in one of those chimney things, and I'm about to start grilling. And my Bug Assault is actually out there right now. But that's all. You know, thought this was kind of a cool product. Figured I'd share it with you guys. I'll link to the Amazon product as well as the manufacturer's site. And if I can find kind of a funny video kind of showcasing this thing in action, I'll try to link that in the description box below as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button below. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. I'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Weird Products Daily.